Do you know you can actually paste multiple data from other websites at a single time? To know how? Watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This is your Dhanush from Knowledge for Your channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste multiple times in a Word document. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Dhanush Manoharan and I'll be posting more videos like this. And if you are interested, please hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get an instant notification of every videos I post. Let's get started. So I already have my Word document open, so let me dock it side by side with the browser so it will be easy for you. Yeah, it's ready, and we usually copy using Ctrl plus C and paste using Ctrl plus V. But to paste multiple items, click on the search bar and type clipboard settings and click on the save multiple clipboard items, and it will open the screen just like this. In that, toggle the button from off to on in the clipboard history, so you can paste multiple items by clicking the Windows logo plus V. You can also sync this across different devices. I'll be posting it as another video. Okay, now back to the browser, and I'm going to copy and paste using the usual technique Ctrl plus V. And now I'm gonna copy some of the items. Okay, done, and paste it using Ctrl V. And yeah, again I'm gonna copy some of the random items multiple times from the website danlocks.com. Let me copy more. Okay, 2, 3. It's just a random data. Okay, now press Windows plus V. You will get a history of clipboard, so you can select the copied items, and you can again click Windows plus V to select more from the history that you have copied before. I'm sure this technique will save more time for you. If you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. If you are interested in other videos like tutorial, SEO, tips and tricks, DIY and much more, it is also included in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see all those videos, and I'm so grateful for all your wonderful support. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment box below, and I'll be answering every question. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my channel and supporting by liking this video.